Hello, I'm Barb Johnston from the Mental Health Association in New Jersey, where I'm the Director of Policy and Advocacy. We at MHA in New Jersey are very proud of Governor Phil Murphy, and it is with pride that we nominated our governor for this prestigious award. MHA NJ is a statewide not-for-profit organization dedicated to improving the lives of individuals and their families living with mental health and substance use disorders. Governor Murphy is being recognized for his ongoing support of the behavioral health community. Prior to this devastating pandemic, Governor Murphy has shown commitment to strengthening behavioral health in New Jersey. In particular, his support for parity and coverage for mental health conditions and substance use disorders, and support for K-12 mental health education in New Jersey public schools are both noteworthy. In 2019, Governor Murphy held a public signing of the parity law. This requires measurement, accountability, and transparency of already existing complex federal and state parity laws. These laws mandate that restrictions for behavioral health treatments are no more stringent than for physical health treatments. The Mental Health in the Schools law, signed by Governor Murphy in 2020, requires K-12 mental health education. This is a critical step to early intervention for our youngest and most vulnerable citizens. During the past year, when the pandemic has hit all of our states very hard, our governor has shown his leadership to the residents of New Jersey and nationally as well. He has shown great sensitivity to the mental health impact the pandemic has had on the citizens of our state. Through his administration, he has supported increased access to behavioral health through relaxed regulations in telehealth, evictions, publicly funded insurances, funding increased access points to mental health and substance use treatment, and many other supportive services for persons suffering under the pandemic. I would like to now turn our program over to Carolyn Beauchamp, our President and CEO of MHA in New Jersey, to introduce Governor Phil Murphy. Carolyn?
Governor Murphy, the Mental Health Association in New Jersey proudly nominated you for the 2021 B4Stage4 Leadership Award. For those of you who may be new to this concept, B4Stage4 means that persons with behavioral health conditions need to be treated before they're in a crisis state or stage 4. No other therapeutic area waits for a person to get to stage 4 for treatment. We advocate and support early intervention and access to quality and timely treatment, all of which results in better outcomes. Phil Murphy has been governor of New Jersey since January 2018. His progressive agenda has built a stronger New Jersey. In addition to the mental health and substance use laws he has signed into place, he has managed our state through this pandemic by being open and forthright with the residents of New Jersey. The governor's weekly communications have been a comfort and a guiding light and have helped the emotional stability for all of us. Additional legislation to recognize include a 15-hour minimum wage, an equal pay law to combat gender wage discrimination, expanded paid family leave provisions, restored funding for women's health and Planned Parenthood, and expanded protections for the state's immigrant and LGBTQ communities, among others, all positively impacting an individual's general well-being and mental health. As a proud public school product, Governor Murphy holds degrees from Harvard University and the Wharton School of Business at the University of Pennsylvania. Prior to taking office, he served as the U.S. Ambassador to Germany, and throughout his business career, he remained committed to community involvement and support. Again, thank you to Governor Murphy for your ongoing support to the mental health community and congratulations on this well-deserved award.
Everybody, New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy here. It is my absolute honor to receive this award from Mental Health America, the nation's oldest mental health advocacy organization, alongside two friends and two other governors, Tom Wolf of Pennsylvania and Charlie Baker of Massachusetts. In New Jersey, we recognize that taking care of our mental health is an important part of taking care of our overall health. And we must continue to work at eliminating the stigma that persists for those seeking mental health care. Like Mental Health America, our goal is to support New Jerseyans before they experience a behavioral health emergency. That's why we have worked to ensure parity in coverage for mental health conditions and substance use disorders. And while we are in the middle of an unprecedented school year, going forward, our priority is to ensure our students have access to mental health services in their schools. Being able to recognize when you are struggling with depression or anxiety and asking for help when you need it, that takes courage. I want to thank all of those who have spoken out about their experiences, as well as the incredible advocates at Mental Health America. Your work has made it easier for millions of Americans to get the treatment and recovery support they need to stay healthy. So, keep up the incredible work, and thank you again for this award. God bless you all.